guys record me. I'm gonna be dropping the bumper. Product, I'm gonna drop the bumper. Okay, let's put it back. Alright, so today we're gonna mess with trying to put this bar back onto the car. That's a crash bar. That's the way to hold the bumper. The shape that it already has fits in here pretty well, honestly. As you can see right here. If I can get it to do this exactly same thing like that back on the car is my goal. So what I have to do is continue to knock the rest of these nubs off, and I want to try to sand them down flat, so then hopefully I can use that bar the way that I just showed you on here, and hopefully that's it. That's all I'm going to do for a crash bar. I'm not going to do anything else. To be honest, I don't think I need to, so that's just my game plan. If I do anything else, I might just do little tabs from like here to here with some maybe quick latches or some sort of something to be able to mount the bumper a little bit stiffer. That's about it. Probably won't end up doing that.
Just wait.
You think that was zip tie?
Actually, it's zip ties.
Alright, so we got the crash bar cut down a little bit and tacked up on here. The bumper fits pretty well, it's pretty level. We use this little mapping level to try to get it as low as we can. It's obviously not going to be as good as like a full custom one, but I don't really know how to do all that yet. And like, I mean, I don't have the time. I might later on throughout the rest of the season, but I don't think I need anything more than just this, especially since I don't think I'm going to have like a big intercooler and all that. So this is going to be it for now. So real quick, I'm just going to weld it in. Alright guys, so we're finishing up for today. Quickly, I used the air saw to get some more clearance out of this, some more clearance out of this, some more clearance out of this area to be able to hopefully do that. Obviously, I'm gonna have to keep looking to see where else I need clearance and how to fix it. But I think we got pretty good this time. I also need to get the right size spacer still. I got a bigger one. And I think I just need about a 30, maybe 40 mil. I think maybe a 40 mil will set this proper. But maybe right now it might sit really good. So now we're just gonna start cleaning up, throw the bumper on it, throw whatever stuff on it. Yeah, clean up, park it back outside, and we're able to accomplish something that we didn't even try to do today. We literally came just to clean up and put the car back because tomorrow we go back to work. So, you know, I get to work on it on the weekends and after work. So gotta make sure it's out of here and everything so I can work tomorrow. And today we were just gonna come clean up, but we decided to screw it and try to weld the crash bar on. And that's gonna be a lot of help. So now we have a crash bar bumper support thing to be able to have it actually mounted on something. Sandra, go put this thing on. Show the people how it works. Yep. So it's kind of on there. Sandra always afraid of pushing stuff forward and around. So you just have to get it a little. You're so scared. I don't want to break it. But yeah, so our crash bar bumper support scenario works pretty well, as you can tell. I'm gonna throw some zip ties right here on the side, hold the sides. If anybody out there has clear Zenki turn signals, please hit me up. Oh, well, you put like some turn signals, hit me up. I want to be able to put that. I want these two. I think I can just buy them from D-Max or one of the Chinese whatevers. But I'd rather buy from the homies. So if any of the homies have any of these pieces, let me know. But she's looking good. It's on there. Now I have a front crash bar. Really, hopefully, the most awesome thing for me to do this week will be to be able to get one going back here. I should honestly take off the diffuser right now just so I can get this rear crash bar going. Get some sort of I'm gonna put some sort of bar to go down here so I can have a jackpot spot. So if I have a jack spot, I'll be able to perfectly put the diffuser back on, mark a hole, and every time I come back here, I don't have to get stuck having to put this on, because this is kind of a pain in the ass. The car might be pretty low for a diffuser. Yeah, still need to do that. Still need to trim the diffuser back there for an exhaust. As you can see, there's like nothing. I need to get the exhaust going. I just have a lot of work to do. So the more we actually can accomplish each weekend, the better. So that's what we're gonna continue to do. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next one. Keep up with the progress of the car. It should be pretty cool. I can't wait to drive it. So yeah, hit follow, like, and subscribe or whatever, because that's a wrap for this weekend. That's a wrap for maybe, I don't know if this is going to be all one episode. Probably more than likely will be. But yeah, so Sam is back there eating. The puppers are doing crap. So yeah. Second picture. What are you doing?
Minding my business.
Why are you hiding behind the toolbox?
See that? Stop. Megan is really awkward.
All right, guys. Chi-Chi, tell bye, everybody. Blue, tell everybody bye.